The holidays are all about those warm spices, sweet flavors, just anything that's cozy and warm and brings us together. So these are a simple cinnamon spiced nut. I love a spiced candied nut. There's so many different ways to do it. A lot of them can take egg whites, you mix them together, make it frothy, put that over it. I don't really always like that texture. I like a nice, almost sugary crust-like texture with good flavor. So that's what these are. As always, the recipes are on my website, wiseguy.com. You can find the link in the description of the video. And I think you're gonna wanna make these. So we're gonna start with mixed nuts. I like, if you can find them, especially this time of year, kind of fancy style nuts, which just mean the bigger, beautiful premium nut, just because it's the holidays. If you are able to have people over, it's fun to share the best that you can, and that's what I love to do. So we're gonna add those. I'm gonna mix it right on my pan because why not? Why dirty another bowl? I like to add maple syrup. One, it's still a sugar, so it's not like we're really cutting down necessarily, but it has just a good sweetness. I like how it roasts in the oven. I think it adds kind of what you want, and I just love it. Why not use something delicious? I am gonna also add a little bit of brown sugar. Instead of just doing tons of brown sugar, which would give that coating too, this changes the texture slightly, but I don't like to just only use the brown sugar. I feel like that gets too crusty and it's just a little bit too much. So the flavors, the spices, of course some cinnamon. There's not, okay, I don't know if you're like me, but some of the festivals or fairs you would go to, they have those nut roasters right there, especially around the holidays. That strong, poignant smell of the cinnamon and sugar blend it draws you in, am I right? And if you can have that at home, why would you not have that at home? I'm also adding a few other spices, so just a few cloves. They overpower very quickly, so I don't want to make it too much, but I think it just kind of hits home with that holiday spice blend, and that's what I love. A little bit of ginger. Again, not too much of these other spices, just enough to be there, you know what I mean? And then a little bit, now this is weird, a little bit of cayenne, not a lot, but I like it. I'm gonna be honest, I think it wakes up your taste buds. I think it kind of just like tingles the tongue a little bit, kind of wakes it up, and I think that's important, especially around the holidays, to kind of wake up all those flavors. Then we're gonna do some salt. You need that kind of sweet, salty mix. I just think that's really important. Hands, easiest way. We're gonna mix this up. Make sure the spice blend gets on everything. Make sure they get coated, if they can, in that maple syrup. We want that brown sugar even to get mixed in, the salt. Guys, it already smells like, it smells like the holidays. So if you do nothing else, maybe you're not a cookie maker. I get it. I don't get it. Like, let's try to make some cookies. Check out my recipes. You want to make a cookie. Maybe though you're not a big baker, you're not a huge cook. Candied nuts, you can do, anyone can do if you have an oven. And then how fun is it to put them in little cellophane bags, maybe a fun tin. Even go to a thrift shop and find those vintage kind of style holiday tins. Literally, they are a dime a dozen, I promise you. Wherever you go, people clean out closets and throw them out. Fill them up with candied spiced nuts. Everyone's gonna love you. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands and then we're gonna throw these in the oven. Guys, Kip smelled this too. He always smells when I'm in the kitchen baking. He's so hard. Oh yeah, this is delicious. So we're just gonna put them right into an oven. Now, I am doing roasted nuts. That way, they don't take a ton of cooking time, just enough for that sugar to caramelize and crystallize. So we're gonna leave them in there. It's gonna smell amazing. It's gonna feel like Christmas, smell like Christmas, taste like Christmas. That's all you need. So we're gonna let them roast. We're gonna enjoy them. So about once during cooking, because this cooked pretty fast, but you can see it's really starting in the center there to cook, I do like to give it a stir, just because you want to make sure those sugars, the spices, everything is distributed well. Maybe you forgot one somewhere, but I just like to give it a stir. I think it just helps it. I think it makes it a little bit more even. You also make sure if you have a hot spot in your oven, because a lot of ovens do. A lot of ovens do. So I'm just bringing it in. The parchment makes it a little hard, but guys, the parchment is gonna make it super easy to clean, and you want that. So I'm gonna spread it back out. Just gonna give it a quick little tossle. Guys, I wish you could smell the strong, delicious aroma of cinnamon, of some clove. It's amazing. And I think these are just one of those things. These are just, okay, candied spiced nuts. One, yes, you will eat them all by yourself, so no judgment there. But they're the best thing to share around, because who doesn't like it unless they're allergic? I totally get that. So I'm gonna pop them back in the oven, finish roasting, and then enjoy. You can smell that they're done. It is a delicious aroma. I mean, and just look at that. They are coated. You can see that sugar is really starting just to, oh my goodness. I love it. So as they cool, one, you cannot eat them now. You will be mad if you do. I've tried it, it just hurts. It's like one of those where you just peel off the top of your mouth. We wanna let these cool. As they're cooling, every couple minutes I'm gonna go through and just stir them like this because they will harden into clumps. So if you don't ever so often stir them and spread them back out, it just kind of gets annoying. So I like to do that. Then as they cool, they'll be easier. Then we can enjoy. A little bit of time, but worth it. This is cooled, and you still get some little bits, and you could leave them together. I kind of like them more apart, just because I don't want anyone coming over and taking all that. I'm joking, but I just think it's nicer to have mostly broken up pieces. And as you do it, you can see that it gets that nice, like, crystal, I don't know, just sugar coating on it, and I love that. I like a good coating. I think that's what maple syrup really does. It just coats it really well. And the smell of the cinnamon, you get just that hint of clove. But for all you like clove haters, I know some of you are out there a clove hater. But this isn't, it's not too much clove. It's just like, it's just enough. And you know what I love about it? Oh, it's a twofer. That's that cayenne, you don't taste the cayenne. You don't hit it and think, what? No. It just wakes everything up and kind of gives you that hint of that something in your mouth, but it's just like, whoa. It's like an experience. Make it an experience, you guys. You need to try these spice roasted candied nuts. They are delicious. They're exactly what I want during the holidays. They smell better than any festival or market you've been to because you made them. You can package them however you want. You can eat them all, not tell anyone. You can do Christmas your way. So I hope you make these. Most of all, I hope you share them around because that helps me the most and it helps everyone see how easy this is to try something new, to be inspired. So thanks for coming to my home, into my kitchen, at my farm, and making these with me. As always, check wiseguy.com for this recipe, other awesome recipes. Check my other videos. There are so many Christmas ones. Why? I love Christmas. So Merry Christmas. Make these, enjoy them.